Hello students, today I am going to explain about the variable description in Java, that how you will describe a variable. So first you subscribe this channel so that whenever I will upload any video it will reach to you first. Let's see the importance of variable description. As we know that variable is a named location of computer memory where we can store value, and without variable we cannot do anything in the programs. So in ICSE board you have to, in examination also, you have to describe the variable, about the purpose and what are the description of the variable, why you have used that particular variable. So you have to define that variable. For that you will get 20% marks. Suppose 10 marks question will be there, you will get 2 marks for the variable description. And in the project submission you will get 20% marks also, or 20 marks. So first it is very important to describe the variable whenever you will write the Java program of the exercise in your copy. So don't forget to describe the variable and what is the format. Everything I am going to explain to you through the example. What is variable description? Let's see the example. Suppose I'm going to write a simple program in Java, two number, accept two number and find sum and average. Okay. Question is accept two numbers and find sum and average. So to accept the number, we required a package, util package. So import java dot util dot star scanner class. Remove all these things. Scanner equals to new scanner dot it. Two numbers int n1 n2 sum and average. Now I will accept the value of n1. So sc write down syntax system dot out dot println enter n1 equal to sc dot next int, n2 equal to sc dot next int, sum equals to n1 plus n2, average equals to explicit conversion is required here, float sum and total number 2. Why? Because sum is integer and you are storing in average, so you need to convert this into system dot out dot println of sum equals to plus sum plus plus average equals to plus average. This is a simple program where we wrote this, that accept two number and the sum and average. Compile it. No syntax error. void main. Okay, enter two numbers 5. Sum is 5 and average is 2.5. This is the question. Now in examination, suppose this question came, so you will not get full marks from this much only. If you will do this, then you are not going to get full marks. What you have to do, one more thing you have to do, you have to describe the variables, that why you have used n1 n2 sum and average. So how many variables is there? Four variables. So that it is always recommend, and I will always recommend you that first how many variables is required you declare at once only. Okay, so I have declared all these variables, so that in variable description it will be easy for me to write. Now I'm going to write the variable description. What is the format to declare the variable description? This is the format. This is the format of variable description, where first you have to write the name of variable, then data types, and then purpose and description. So first name of variable is what? N1. Three column will be there. Don't forget this. Always remember name of variable, data type, and purpose and description. So name of variable N1, data type of N1 is what? The data type of N1 is int. So I will write int, and here I will write the description, that why I have declared N1. So to accept first number, first number. Why? Because in question except two number is there, so n1 is for except first number. Now second variable I have declared n2. What is the data type? Int, description to accept second number. Now third variable is what? Third variable is sum. I will write here sum, data type int, and description to find sum of two numbers. Now one more column is required, so I will select this, right click, insert, or simply we can draw a table here. One more column, one more table is there. Where it is the option? 1 minute, students. So first columns, and then it will be average, and average. So which data type? Description, average, data type, float, and description to calculate average of two numbers. Okay, so this is the description. Now any more variable is there? Let's see. Only 4 variables are there and all the description I wrote there. Then only you will get the full marks. One more questions will be there, then for that also you have to write the variable description for each program. So you have to understand how to declare the variables and how to describe it. So these the format through which you can describe a variable description, and it's very important to kindly understand it, and for each program you try to write the variable description. Okay, thank you.